Verizon Fios versus 5G home internet. Which one delivers better results? Today I looked at real-world tests and customer reviews to compare these two options for speed, reliability, and overall performance. If you're deciding between fiber and wireless for your home internet, knowing the differences can help you avoid surprises and pick the right connection. Verizon Fios uses fiber optic cables, delivering very consistent speeds and low latency. Upload and download rates are often symmetrical, which is great for streaming, gaming, video calls, and heavy uploads. Once installed, the connection rarely drops and speeds stay close to advertised levels. The main considerations are availability and installation time, which can be longer than wireless setups. Verizon 5G home internet is convenient and quick to set up since it requires no wiring. Speeds generally range from 75 to 300 Mbps download and 10 to 75 Mbps upload, handling streaming and browsing well. Performance can fluctuate depending on signal strength, distance from the tower, and network congestion, especially during peak hours. Upload speeds are usually lower than fiber, and wireless signals can be affected by obstacles. When choosing between them, it comes down to what matters most. Fios offers maximum reliability, consistent speed, and symmetrical performance. 5G home internet is easier to set up, flexible, and a solid alternative where fiber isn't available, but occasional speed variations are possible. Overall, if you want stable, high-performance internet and Fios is available, it's generally the safer choice. If convenience and quick installation matter more, 5G home internet can still be a very good option for everyday use.